Welcome to the ultimate Indonesian adventure. Get ready for a journey across breathtaking islands, vibrant cities, and ancient temples. From white sand beaches to emerald rice terraces, Indonesia is a feast for the senses. Experience the flavors, the warmth of the people, and unforgettable moments. Which destination calls your name? Let's dive in. Welcome to Bali, the island of the gods, where magic fills the air the moment you arrive. From spiritual temples and lush rice terraces to world-class beaches and vibrant culture, Bali is pure tranquility. Witness sunset at Uluwatu Temple, or trek Mount Batur for a sunrise you'll never forget. And don't miss the incredible food. Babi guling is a must-try. Bali is the perfect start to our journey. All right, from the spiritual island vibes of Bali, we are now hopping over to the island of Java, to a city that I believe is the true cultural soul of Indonesia, Yogyakarta, often called Jogja for short. This city beats with an artistic and intellectual heart. This is a place steeped in history, a cradle of civilization where ancient traditions are not just preserved in museums, they are lived and breathed every single day. You can feel the deep respect for heritage in the air, from the elegant movements of Javanese court dancers to the intricate, patient process of creating world-famous batik art. This is where you come to understand the depth and richness of Indonesian culture on a whole new level. The main reason many people, including myself, are drawn here is for the temples. And right near Yogyakarta, you will find one of the most magnificent structures ever built by humankind, Borobudur. Oh wow! Seeing this massive Buddhist temple emerge from the morning mist is a spiritual experience, regardless of your beliefs. Climbing its stone terraces, each one telling a story through exquisitely carved reliefs, you feel like you're ascending into another realm. Reaching the top, with its 72 bell-shaped stupas each housing a statue of the Buddha, and watching the sunrise paint the sky over the surrounding volcanoes. It's a moment of profound peace and wonder that will stay with you forever. But the architectural marvels don't stop there. Just a short drive away is Prambanan, a majestic complex of Hindu temples that is just as awe-inspiring. These towering, slender spires dedicated to Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva are a masterpiece of classical architecture. The intricate carvings depicting the epic of Ramayana are simply mind-boggling in their detail. Walking through this ancient site, you can almost hear the echoes of a bygone era, a powerful kingdom that created these monuments as a tribute to their gods. It's a powerful reminder of Java's rich, layered religious history, where different faiths have coexisted and flourished for centuries, leaving behind a legacy of incredible beauty. And back in the city itself, you have to experience the vibrant, bustling energy of Malioboro Street. This is the commercial heart of Yogyakarta, a whirlwind of sights, sounds, and smells. It's the perfect place to hunt for souvenirs, from beautiful batik fabrics to handcrafted silver. But for me, it's all about the street food. The gudeg, a sweet jackfruit stew that is the signature dish of Jogja, is absolutely delicious. You find vendors selling it everywhere, served with rice, chicken, and spicy sambal. The energy here is electric, a perfect contrast to the serene silence of the temples. Yogyakarta offers this incredible balance of profound history and lively modern Javanese life. It's unmissable. Welcome to Raja Ampat, the Four Kings, a diver's paradise and one of Earth's last true frontiers. Beneath turquoise waters lies a vibrant metropolis of marine life, coral gardens, schools of fish, and majestic manta rays. Above the waves, breathtaking viewpoints and peaceful nature await. Here, every moment is a feast for the senses, on land, underwater, and at the table. Welcome to Komodo National Park, a land where modern-day dragons roam. The dramatic volcanic islands and savanna hills meet brilliant blue waters, creating a truly ancient atmosphere. The star here is the Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard, powerful, prehistoric, and unforgettable. And don't miss Pink Beach, where the sand is actually pink thanks to tiny red coral mixed with white sand. Hike Padar Island for sunrise and see its iconic tri-bay panorama, white, black, and pink beaches all at once. Then, snorkel with majestic manta rays. Komodo is pure adventure. Dragons, pink sands, and epic wildlife, ready for an unforgettable sunrise. We're heading to East Java for Mount Bromo's dawn spectacle. The adventure begins in a classic jeep, racing across the sea of sand in the cold, dark morning. At the viewpoint, anticipation builds as travelers gather, sipping hot drinks and waiting for first light. The sky glows pink and orange, revealing Bromo's smoking crater and the vast volcanic landscape. It's breathtaking, humbling, and a memory you'll never forget. Off the coast of Lombok, the Gili Islands are a trio of tropical dreams. No cars, no motorbikes, just pure island magic. Each island has its own vibe. Gili Trawangan is lively, Gili Air is laid back, and Gili Meno is pure tranquility. And beneath the waves, world-class snorkeling, vibrant reefs, and sea turtles everywhere. It's unforgettable. Let's dive into Jakarta, the dynamic heartbeat of Indonesia. This megacity pulses with energy, where skyscrapers meet colonial history and over 10 million people create a vibrant mix of cultures and food. Start at Monas, the city's iconic symbol, then wander through historic Kota Tua. And don't miss the street food, Jakarta's real soul. Every corner is a new adventure. Welcome to Tanah Toraja, a land where ancient rituals and breathtaking landscapes come alive. Here, the iconic Tongkonan houses with their soaring roofs are the heart of family and tradition. Torajan funerals are vibrant celebrations, uniting entire communities in music, dance, and feasts. The dead rest in cliffside caves, watched over by wooden effigies, blending the spiritual and physical in unforgettable ways. Welcome to Sumatra's Lake Toba, the world's largest volcanic lake, formed by a supervolcano thousands of years ago. Standing at the viewpoint, the vast blue water and ancient landscape take your breath away. In the center lies Samosir Island, a cultural heartland for the Batak people. Experience their unique traditions, stunning architecture, and bold, spicy cuisine. Lake Toba is a true sensory adventure. Nature, culture, and food, all in one unforgettable place. Okay, coming in at number 10, we are heading to an island that's often called Bali's quieter, more rugged sister. This is Lombok, and wow, if you are looking for raw, untamed, natural beauty, this is your place. It has that same incredible Indonesian charm, the beautiful beaches, the friendly people, but with fewer crowds and a more laid-back, adventurous vibe. It's a place where you can truly feel like you're off the beaten path, discovering your own private paradise. From pristine white sand beaches to towering volcanoes and cascading waterfalls hidden deep in the jungle, Lombok is an island that just keeps on giving. It's an explorer's dream come true. For the adventurous souls out there, the ultimate challenge and reward in Lombok is trekking Mount Rinjani. This is the second highest volcano in Indonesia, and let me tell you, The journey to the summit is one of the most epic experiences you can have. It's a tough, multi-day trek, but the views you get are absolutely out of this world. Standing on the crater rim at sunrise, looking down at the stunning turquoise crater lake, Segara Anak, is a moment of pure awe. It is so beautiful, so surreal, it feels like you're on another planet. It's a physically demanding but spiritually rewarding journey that you will remember for the rest of your life. It's just incredible. Now, if you're more of a beach person, don't you worry, because Lombok's coastline is spectacular. Head south to the Kuta Lombok area, not to be confused with Kuta in Bali, and you will find a string of some of the most beautiful beaches in all of Indonesia. We're talking about Tanjung An, with its unique pepper-like sand, Mawon Beach with its perfect crescent shape, and Selong Belanak, which is ideal for beginner surfers. The water is crystal clear, the sand is powdery soft, and the backdrop of green hills is just stunning. You can spend days just hopping from one breathtaking beach to the next, each one more beautiful than the last. This is pure paradise. And the beauty of Lombok isn't just on the coast. If you venture inland, you'll discover a world of lush, green rice paddies and some of the most spectacular waterfalls you've ever seen. Tu Kelep and Sendangil waterfalls, located at the foothills of Mount Rinjani, are absolutely magnificent. You trek through a lush rainforest, and then suddenly you hear the roar of the water. Seeing that powerful curtain of water cascading down into a beautiful pool where you can swim. Oh wow, it's just the perfect way to cool off. Lombok offers this amazing balance of epic adventure and serene relaxation. It's a place that captures your heart and makes you want to stay forever. And there you have it, our journey through the top 10 must-visit places in the incredible archipelago of Indonesia. From the spiritual heart of Bali and the ancient temples of Java, to the underwater paradise of Raja Ampat and the land of dragons in Komodo. We've climbed active volcanoes like Bromo, relaxed on the car-free Gili Islands, explored the bustling capital of Jakarta, and witnessed the unique cultures of Tanah Toraja and Lake Toba. And finally, we found adventure on the untamed shores of Lombok. What an amazing trip, and we've only just scratched the surface of what this beautiful country has to offer. The diversity here is just mind-blowing. Every island, every region has its own unique flavor, its own culture, its own incredible food, and its own special kind of magic. Indonesia is a country that truly has something for everyone. Whether you're a diver, a hiker, a culture enthusiast, a foodie, or someone who just wants to relax on a beautiful beach, it's a place that will challenge you, inspire you, and fill you with a sense of wonder. The warmth of the Indonesian people, their smiles and their hospitality, is something that will stay with you long after you've left. It's a destination that gets into your soul and calls you back again and again. Now, I have to ask you, which one of these incredible destinations is calling your name the most? Are you dreaming of diving with manta rays in Komodo, trekking to the summit of Mount Rinjani, or maybe exploring the cultural heartland of Yogyakarta? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading about your travel dreams and where you plan to go next. Your comments and your passion for travel are what inspire us to keep making these videos and sharing these amazing places with you all. So please, share your thoughts. I'm excited to see which place captured your imagination. Thank you so much for joining us on this amazing virtual tour of Indonesia. It was a pleasure sharing this beautiful country with you. If you enjoyed this video and want more travel inspiration from around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. We have so many more incredible places to show you, so many more delicious foods to eat, and so many more stories to tell. Until next time, I hope you're staying hungry for adventure. See you on the next video.